This job was very, it was different. Very much different than all the other ones we had. It's very unique place. I'll tell you that.
As far as work, I mean excavation, a lot of grading, measurements, concrete, asphalt today, backfilling, all the minor details that fall into it.
Well, more than anything, the 6-inch pipe we put in.
Yeah. The pipeline, yeah.
Just trying to get everything set, trying to make everything work good, you know, try to make everything look nice for you guys, you know, and just go with the flow.
I'm George.
My name's Mauricio.
I'm Abraham.
Memo.
We are MMC.
Murciélagos.
Vete hasta para allá, güey.